Yes. Close your notebook, textbook. Get ready. Yes. Now we are going to start with addition. You don't write anything, just observe. You want to add 29 plus 42. Now we'll just see how we are going to do it. We'll just write 29. You don't do anything, children, just look. Plus 42. Now see the ones place number. Ones place number. You Tanish and Logesh, turn off your camera.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Nothing in the textbook. You just close everything now. Close everything, okay? Close everything. Just look at the screen. Nothing there in the textbook. Now 29 plus 42. You have to take ones place number first. 9 plus 2. You have to keep 9 in your mind and just say after 9 two numbers. What will you get? You will get in ones place, you just see. Ones place, the numbers you see. 2 down. You just add, look at the screen. 9 plus 2. I don't want to put 9 balls over there. I'm just putting 9 plus 2. Look, children, you got 11. You cannot write 11 below 9 and 2. Look at the screen. Don't worry about anything. You have to write only ones place number over there. See the 11. You see in ones place 11, you got 1. Clear? So you must write only 1. Don't write, you just look. You have 11 there. Ones place number, you must write first. Tens place, you have 2, 4 plus here 2. First you have to add 2 plus 4 and 1. Understood? Don't worry about all this. You have the textbook, I'll teach you. Now, you have 4. Always keep biggest number in your mind. No need to write again. 4. Add 2. Then 1. So you will get 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 7. No need to write all these things about tens place. You must keep in your mind and do it. 7. When you write, you must write only like this. Clear? Understood, children? This is addition with carrying. You know, when you add 9 plus 2, you will get 11. Write 1. When you write in classwork note, I'll make you write 1 on top. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, you get 7. See here? See how you got it? Just look. See that carry 1. 2. Big number. Then 1. Ones place. 4 plus 2 plus 1. You get 7. 1 plus 2 plus 4. You can write in any order. Better to write 1 plus 2 plus 4 in order. This is the way you have to do. You can put a circle over that carry 1. Understood? Now no need to say anything. First, once again, you check 9 plus 2, keeping that 9 big number in your mind. 2, you get 11. Then carry 1 in tens place number. It won't be 1 always. Sometimes it will be 220, whatever it may be. 9 plus 2, 11, 60. Now 8 plus 2, 10. Then 0 will come. 1 will be carry tens place number. So one's place number will change according to the numbers. So carry that 1 over there. 1, that carry 1 plus 2. See the left side of your screen. Now we are facing the screen.
Ma'am, did you have to write?
No, baby, no, nothing to write. Nothing to write. You just look. You can go back to the recording and see. Now see here. See how these balls are coming up. How many balls here I have to give? 9. See here. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. That's what I told you. Just have a look. 9 plus 2, you get 11. 9 plus 2 in one's place. Tens place. No need to write. You cannot write all this. I'm just showing you how to do the sum. Now see here. Take a new page in your classwork note. Classwork note, new page. Take. Open your classwork note, children.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
See there? No, just write addition. Just write ADDITION. Addition.
Right.
1 minute. You just write CW, children. Classwork. Same heading you write. Classwork you have to write now. Have you written the heading? Now, leave 1 square. Copy 73. Just write, don't put any number. Now, first column you write 7. Next column you write 3. Plus, it's not carrying. I just want you to do some sums. 73 plus 14. Yes, write in your classwork note. Write in your classwork note. 73 plus 14. That line should come just below. I will ask one by one now. Answer. You don't answer in chorus. I want Alvin Jonathan. Sure. Alvin Jonathan, are you there?
Ma'am, I'm here, ma'am.
Yes. Did you write these 2 numbers in your notebook?
Yes,
73 plus. Very good. Now tell me what is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4. Keep 4 in your mind and add fast 3 to that. You can add 3 plus 4. You can.
Ma'am?
Yes. What is 3 plus 4? Only one's place number you say.
Ma'am, answer 5.
Very good. 7. Now tell me what is 7 plus 1? 7 plus 1. Only Alvin. What is 7 plus 1, Alvin? Alvin. 7 plus 1. 8. Good. All are screaming, so I couldn't. Sorry. 87. Good. Now next one. Just see. Yes, good. See, all are screaming in between. I was not able to hear. Now 47. Just leave 2 columns. Just leave, today don't, leave 2 squares. Leave 2 squares. Leave 2 squares. Write 47. 4 in one column. 7 in another column. 47. Yes. Now, plus 52. 5 and 2. This question goes to Ange, John, Jacob. Okay. Now, Ange, are you there? Ange, are you there? Yes. Ange. You're not there, Ange? Okay. Dhruv. Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhruv. Can you help me to do the sum, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. One's place. What are the 2 numbers in one's place?
7 and 2.
Very good. 7 and 2.
2.
Now, can you add and tell me the answer for it?
9.
Only
99.
7
Nine.
plus 2. Tell me, Ange.
9.
Very good. 9. See, only the child must answer. You must not answer out of your turn. Very good, Ange.
Ma'am, Dhruv.
No, Ange is not there. Sorry, Dhruv. Sorry, Dhruv. I was calling out Ange. She is not there. Sorry. Now, 4 plus 5, Dhruv. 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4. You can keep big number in your mind. 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5.
9.
9. Very good. You completed that. Now, next sum. This goes to Harish, but you just copy now. 36 plus 50. 36 plus 50. 36 plus 50. 36 plus 50. Harish, are you there? Harish. Yes? Yes, Harish. Are you there? Yes. Tell me what is 6 plus 0? 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. Yes? Any number plus 0, what will you get? Same number. So what is 6 plus 0?
6, ma'am.
Very good. 6. Next, 3 plus 5.
8.
Very good.
8, ma'am.
8. Now, close that notebook, children. Close that notebook. Children.
No, ma'am.
Children. Now listen. I want everybody to take out your textbook.
My textbook is given for wrapping. Look,
Ma'am, my textbook are giving for wrapping. Ma'am.
Never mind. Listen, those who have textbook, I will tell you what to do. You have to take out your textbook now. Now, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, we are doing addition. Yes or no, children? We are doing addition.
Yes,
1 minute. Those who are textbook, take page number 37. Page number 37. That is page number 37. 37 addition. Other things I'll make you do it later. Now take that page number 37. Have you taken page number 37?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I want Dhruv to show me your textbook, page 37. Turn on your camera and show me the textbook, Dhruv.
Sure.
Very good. Very good. Now take page 37. Can you see the, very good. Yes. Can you, only Dhruv I asked, 1 minute. Yes, very good. Take, find the sum down. Find the sum. Tomorrow onwards, I will just show you PPT, then it will be easy for you. Now we have time, so I want you to take, find the sum towards the end, down. Have you seen? 26 plus 33, have you seen?
First do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 26. You just do that first.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't tell me the answer, I will call the name. You do 26 plus 33. I will ask.
7.
Mughal, no, you don't say. Page number 37. Down.
3 in the finger, do.
Just below. Now I want Mukhil. Mukhil, are you there? Mukhil?
9.
Mukhil? Mukhil, are you there? John? Turn off your camera thing or phone, John. Yes, thank you. Listen. Mukhil, are you there? No. Punit Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done the first sum, 26 plus 33?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me the answer. What is 6 plus 3?
9.
9.
What is 2 plus 3?
5.
5. So you have 59. Show me your textbook now. Where you have done that?
Ma'am, camera is not working.
Okay, never mind, ma. Never mind. Cordova. Never mind. Okay. Now I want second sum. You do, children, all of you do the second sum. 48 plus 11. See this child, I don't know what he want to write. Handed. Listen to ma'am. Now, 48 plus 11 in your textbook, do that sum. I will ask Ritun Rajwell. Complete the sum. Tomorrow onwards, I will do PPT, so I will show you which sum to do, okay? 48 plus 11, do it in your textbook, children, all of you.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Very good, Ritun. Tell me the answer together.
Ma'am, answer is 59, ma'am.
Very good. Very
Ma'am, I
good, Ritun.
completed my
Yes.
work,
Now
ma'am.
listen, others don't talk, ma. Now Sehan. Now do the third sum. Everybody must do the third sum. Everybody
Ma'am,
must.
which page?
Ma'am, I did all the sums.
Now wait, children, wait. Page number 37. Do the third
Ma'am,
sum.
79, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, 79, ma'am.
Is it Sehan? I asked Sehan. See, they are getting marks. Okay, the last sum, do it.
I did
Sharan.
all the sums, ma'am.
Sharan Pranav, are you there? Sharan Pranav, are you there? Sharan,
I also finished all the sums.
see this now.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am is
can't
going to
see
keep
the
quiet.
board.
Ma'am is going to keep quiet and sit. You all do the sums and you all make
Ma'am.
noise. I want everybody to turn off your camera. Everyone. I'm asking only Sharan.
Ma'am, we can't
Samira,
see
turn off
the
your
board.
camera. Niral,
Ma'am, we
Kanira.
can't see the board, ma'am.
Board, I am not showing anything. You have to write in a textbook.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, Sharan. Sujin, are you there, Sujin?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am finished.
Sujin, tell me the last answer.
Ma'am, I am finished, ma'am.
68, ma'am.
Only Sujin must tell me the last answer. Sujin.
Ma'am, answer 68, ma'am.
68. Very good. Now you have completed that. Yes or no textbook. Now I want you to take page number. Every day you have to write one page. You take page number 12. 12. We have written all this in your notebook. Take page number 12. Ritu, turn off your camera. Page number 12. Fill in the missing numbers. I'm not going to ask you to show the book. Fill in the missing numbers. Now, you have you taken page number 12? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now write today's date on top of it.
Okay,
Write
ma'am.
today's date on top of it. Today is, what is today's date? 20-7. 20-7.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Now, you are starting with 101. Now listen to me. I don't want you to complete.
Right, ma'am.
I'll call. I want you to write the first row numbers from 101 to 110. First row numbers I want you to write 101. Now I will ask somebody. Tarush, are you there, Tarush? Tarush? Mishti? Tarush. Mishti, please turn off your camera. Tarush, are you there?
Okay, ma'am.
Tarush, yes, Mishti, thank you. Tarush, are you there, Tarush? No. Tion? Tion? Yes. Tion, can you tell me the number after 101? Now you have your textbook. Tell me the number after 101. Turn
Ma'am,
on.
I'm sure.
I'm not asking Misty, I'm asking Tion. Tion.
Ma'am, 102.
Yes. Did you write that there, Tion? Right? That full row, missing numbers, right? 102. I will ask you to show now. After that, 103.
We should write.
Yes, write the full row. Only one row. I don't want you to do anything else because we have time. I'm asking you to write. 101. I will ask Tion to show me a notebook after. Sorry.
In the textbook, ma'am.
Textbook have you written?
Ma'am, in the
Mishti,
textbook.
please don't disturb Mishti. See, in your textbook, page number 12, first row, 101. I want Tion to turn on your camera. Tion. I want to check whether you all are writing. Tion. Yes, Tion. Yes. Show me a notebook. Don't get scared, Tion. Come on. First row of numbers, did you complete? No. 102, right now 103. Complete. First row. Fully right. 103. Slowly, children. Because you're too small, I'll just guide you what you have to write. 102. Next, 103. Everyone must write. First row.
Ma'am, can I
No.
tell the
You
page
write the answer. You write 1 minute. You write the answers. 102, 103.
And page number.
Sorry. Page number 12, ma. Page number 12. 1 to 12.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Show me, Tion. Show. 102, 103. Yes, I was not able to see. 5, 6, 7. Very good. Very good. Now you can do second row. I want Taranish. Taranish, write the numbers after 110. Taranish, you start from 111. Somebody screaming. And start from 111. 111. Taranish, and you have to write and tell me the answer. Taranish, 111, 112, continue, 113, 111, 112, 113, 114, complete. Taranish, are you there? Yuvan Prabhakaran?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me the answer, second line?
Ma'am, I don't have the text.
Never mind, Yuvan, never mind. Okay, Yuvan. Now I want Adonia. Tomorrow I will do PPT and I'll show you, okay, how to write. Adonia, are you there? No? Many children are not coming. Must be parents are working or something. Okay. No, sorry. Akshara. Akshara. Good, Akshara. Have you written the second row numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Just read it out and show me the book, ma. Yes. Just lift and show, Akshara.
121, 1.
No, 111.
111, 112,
12.
113, 114, 115, 117, 16, 118, 119,
Good.
121.
Very good, Akshara. Show me the book now. You don't write anything extra, okay? When I ask you only, you must write. Thank you. See, again, you're writing the next row. Don't write. I'll ask you to write. Now, Akshara is over. Now, children, like this, I will show you the numbers on the screen and we will have class work plus we will have homework. Okay, I will do some work, then I will ask you to do it. So you have the textbook, it will be easy for you. Now, what special class do you have today, Monday? What special class?
English.
No. You have English only on Tuesday and Friday. Monday, what special class do you have? Nobody
Hindi,
knows.
ma'am.
Hindi or Tamil? Yes or no? So according to the timetable, you have to get ready. Thank you so much, children. Whenever you come to class, you must keep the textbook by your side.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay, children. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good class. Bye-bye.